Imagine going flat out down a narrow road you've never properly seen, into a blind corner in a forest. No track, no barriers, just trees, ditches, and a big drop. That's rally. And honestly, it might be the scariest motorsport on the planet. Let me show you why these drivers are completely out of their minds. Most racing is on a smooth track, same corners every lap, nice and safe. Rally races on real roads, mountain passes, forest tracks, farm lanes. And the surface is whatever nature dumped there: gravel, mud, snow, ice. Gravel slides like marbles. One wrong move and the car just leaves the road. Here's the part that'll melt your brain. The driver doesn't know the road by heart. It's miles long. So someone sits next to them, the co-driver. Their job is to read the road out loud before it arrives. Left tightens. Crest. Big jump. Don't cut. All of it, seconds ahead. And the driver just trusts it. Eyes barely on the corner. You're doing 100 miles an hour on faith and a bloke reading notes. One wrong word at the wrong moment, and you're in a tree. On a track, you grip and turn. On gravel, there's basically no grip. So they do something that looks insane. They slide the car sideways on purpose. It looks out of control. It's the opposite. That's total control. Get it slightly wrong, though, and that slide becomes a barrel roll. Oh, and the roads jump. Hit a crest at speed, and the whole car takes off, meters into the air. Sometimes they can't even see where they're landing. They just commit. In Finland, the cars fly the length of a swimming pool and keep going. Then the weather treats them like a personal joke. One stage is sunny. The next is fog you can't see through. Then it snows, and now there are ice walls on both sides. In Sweden, they actually lean on those snowbanks to corner faster. And plenty of it happens at night, in a forest, at full speed. The fans stand right on the edge, close enough to touch the cars. It's the most dangerous front row seat in sport. The car itself takes a beating. Rocks, jumps, water, holes the size of a bath. So a team waits with minutes to fix everything before the clock runs out. Now let's talk about the time rally got too scary, even for rally. In the 1980s, they built a class of cars called Group B. Insanely powerful, barely controllable. Drivers called them monsters. The cars got faster than the safety, the roads, and the crowds could handle. After a string of terrible crashes, they banned the whole class. And rally isn't one event. It's a world tour of weird and brutal. From ice in Monte Carlo to the Safari Rally in Kenya, where a giraffe might be on the track. Compare that to Formula One, a smooth track they know perfectly with loads of runoff. Rally is the opposite. Unknown roads, no room for error, nature fighting back. Both are hard, but only one has trees where the wall should be. It's chaos, it's terrifying, and it's the best thing in motorsport. If that got your palms sweaty, subscribe.